या गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन। आज सर का आवाज नहीं दिया, मेरा आवाज सुनाई देगा आपको। गुड इवनिंग ऑल ऑफ यू, और रादर गुड आफ्टरनून। गुड इवनिंग हुआ नहीं अभी तक। गुड गुड आफ्टरनून। लास्ट टाइम कौन कौन थे मेरे सेशन में? दानिश था, इतना याद है मुझे। प्रतीत था। ओके, गुड आफ्टरनून। आई एम डूइंग गुड प्रतीत, थैंक यू। हाउ आर यू? प्रतीत, आई वांट टू सी योर फेस। आई हैव नॉट सीन योर फेस। बोरा सर क्लास लेने वाले थे तो मैं नहीं लूं? आप नहीं चाहते हो मैं लूं? जो पहले मेरे साथ थे उनको शायद मेरा क्लास बोरिंग नहीं लगा होगा। या Prateet, where are you? I can't see you. And even what was that name? I forgot the other person's name. Sahu. What's the name of that person? How do you know that I am cute, Ayman? मुझे देखा है क्या आपने, जो बिना देखे बोल रहे हो कि देखा? सब लोग एडमिट हो चुके हैं क्या? या वेर इज प्रतीत? प्रतीत, आई कांट सी यू स्टिल। वेर आर यू? अच्छा, लास्ट क्लास में देखा था क्या? ओके। आई एम हियर इटसेल्फ। आई एम नॉट येट पुट ऑन माय वीडियो। वेट, मैं सबको एडमिट तो कर लूं पहले, फिर मैं ऑन करती हूँ वीडियो। Yeah, Prateet, and what's the other person's name? मैं भूल गई। Sahu. What's the name of that person? Okay, so good afternoon all of you. आज तुम लोग को लास्ट वीक से मुझे बताया जा रहा था, आप लोग बोल रहे थे कि बात करनी है, बात करनी है, हमें बात करने का मौका चाहिए, तो आज मैं तुम लोग को बात करने का मौका दूंगी। नमस्ते संजू। या जिन लोग ने हाथ रेस किया, कुछ पूछना है क्या? रेनू का आपको कुछ पूछना है?
नहीं नहीं नहीं।
तो हाथ क्यों सब लोग ने उठा के रखा है? कल क्लास की रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं मिली, कल तो मैंने क्लास लिया ही नहीं, तो फिर मुझे कहाँ से पता चलेगा कि रिकॉर्डिंग ली कि नहीं ली है? ओके। सो ऑन अ सीरियस नोट, चलो आज आप लोग को मैं प्लेटफॉर्म दे रही हूँ बोलने के लिए, लेकिन मुझे ये जो दो इंसान का नाम बोल रही हूँ, वो दो इंसान है क्या यहाँ पे? मुझे सिर्फ पहले वाले क्लास से दानिश का शक्ल याद है, और मुझे पता नहीं कौन कौन थे। अ, हरप्रीत। ओके। स्नेहा। सुरेखा। यस प्रतीत, कैन यू पुट ऑन योर वीडियो? या पार्थ शाखा साहू। ये दो इंसानों का शक्ल देखना चाहती। ओके, देयर यू आर प्रतीत, गुड टू सी योर फेस। गुड। यस, एंड व्हाट अबाउट द अदर वन, पार्थ शाखा साहू? हाँ, देयर यू आर। चलो अपना शक्ल तो दिखा दो, चैट करते हो फिर शक्ल नहीं दिखाते, ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है? ओके, चलो आज आप लोग को मैं चांस दे रही हूँ विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम। और प्लीज मैं ना ये अगर मैं बोलूँ तो फिर मैं इसमें ध्यान नहीं दे पाऊंगी चैट में, तो लेट्स डू वन थिंग। आज एक टॉपिक दे रही हूँ मैं ग्रुप डिस्कशन का। ओके, जिन लोग का हाथ रेज्ड है प्लीज पुट डाउन योर हैंड्स। हाँ बोलो, लेकिन वो। अच्छा सुखेंद्र, आपने मेरे सब क्लासेस की हैं? अच्छा, मुझे फिर शक्ल क्यों नहीं याद आ रही? क्योंकि शायद आपके वीडियोस ऑफ थे। ओके, चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सो आज मैं टॉपिक दे रही हूँ आप लोग को बोलने के लिए। ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ टॉपिक वेर इन इट्स अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन, लेकिन ग्रुप डिस्कशन इस तरह से होता है कि कोई डिबेटिंग टाइप होता है। बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू डिबेटिंग। आई एम गोइंग टू गिव ईच एंड एवरी वन जितना हो सके मुझसे इन दिस 1 hour अ चांस टू स्पीक। ओके। टॉपिक जो है मैं टाइप कर रही हूँ, प्लीज थोड़ी देर के लिए रुको। मैं टाइप कर रही हूँ टॉपिक का नाम चैट में, अभी कोई कुछ मत लिखो, नहीं तो टॉपिक ऊपर चला जाता रहेगा, फिर टॉपिक का नाम बोलने में आधा घंटा निकल जाएगा फिर से। सो प्लीज डोंट चैट एनी वन, डोंट चैट एनीथिंग राइट नाउ, प्लीज होल्ड ऑन। तो टॉपिक जो मैं दे रही हूँ वो ये होगा, ओके द टॉपिक इज सी हियर, चैट में दिया मैंने। The accidents that takes place on the road, air, railways, etc. Who is responsible, the government or the citizens? So you all have to tell me your opinion अपने हिसाब से कि कौन responsible है। सबसे पहले मैं प्रतीत को चांस दे रही हूँ क्योंकि प्रतीत को बहुत देर से बोलना था। प्रतीत के बाद पार्था सखा एंड वन बाय वन मैं सबके लूंगी जिनको जिनको बोलना है। वेयर इज प्रतीत गॉन नाउ? किधर गया बाबा प्रतीत? पुट ऑन योर वीडियो। वंदना शायद आपके मेरा वीडियो मेरा ऑडियो क्लियर नहीं है क्या सबके लिए? आवाज आ रही है? डोंट राइट एनीथिंग, दिस इज अ स्पीकिंग एक्टिविटी। ओके राइटिंग से कुछ नहीं होने वाला, दिस इज अ स्पीकिंग एक्टिविटी। मैं आप लोग को स्पीकिंग का चांस दे रही हूँ क्योंकि बहुतों ने लास्ट टाइम भी बोला था, लास्ट 2-3 टाइम कि हमें बोलना है हमें बोलना है। सो अगर आप लोग लिख रहे हो, आई विल नॉट एंटरटेन द रिटन थिंग्स। जिनको बोलना है, जो रेज हैंड्स रेज है वो बोलेंगे कि ऐसे हाथ रेज करके रखा है? ओके अंकित, स्टार्टिंग विथ यू। अंकित, योर हैंड्स आर रेज्ड। यस अंकित।
Good afternoon, everyone.
गुड आफ्टरनून।
So the topic of group discussion is accident on road, air, and railways. Who is responsible, government or citizen? So from my point of view, the accidents that are happening on road, air, or any means of transport, there are two reasons of accident. One first is lack of infrastructure, and as well as second one is carelessness of citizens in following all the regulations as well as following signals. So we can say that most of accidents we can see on road are by uh, driving on the wrong side, by not following the signals, by over speeding the vehicles, as well as poor designing of road. In that case, the government is responsible in designing part. But when we are riding on the road, then in that part the main reason is totally depend on citizen, how he or she is riding. But from my point of view, the more important here is responsibility is of citizen of India.
Okay, so you think the citizens are more to be blamed for the accidents?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Yes, Ravina.
First, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes, tell me.
I think accidents happen on the road for which both are responsible, government and citizens. Government because of the poor construction, and people because of it they doesn't follow the rules. So I think
They don't
both
follow
are,
the rules. They don't follow the rules.
okay, they don't follow the rules. So I think both are responsible, government as well as citizens.
Okay, good. Yes, Aman. अमन बोलना चाहोगे आप? हाँ कि ना? हाँ तो ठीक है, हाथ फिर नीचे कर दो। हाथ क्यों रेस करके? रवीना पुट ऑन योर हैंड। ओके मोहम्मद अब्दुल खादिर। नो। सौरभ कुमार। नो। राहुल कुमार। सौरभ बोलना चाहोगे क्या? नो। राहुल।
Thank you, ma'am.
या
It's depend on good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Road accident is depend on both because sometimes government will responsible because there are poor construction of roads and not safety guidelines published on the public and not circulated. But there sometimes peoples are also responsible for this because they break the rule. So for example, bike speed is maximum 90 kilometer per second, but sometimes people for the swag and showcase other people's, they will exceed the limit. So there are both are responsible for the road accidents.
Okay,
Thank
one
you.
more correction, Rahul. There's no word like peoples. The word is people. People itself is a plural word. तो उसके पीछे s मत लगाओ. ठीक है?
Okay, thank you.
Okay, good point. Yes, Piyush, would you like to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
या बोलना चाहोगे आप?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please बोलो. पहले कैमरा ऑन करो. बोलना है तो कैमरा ऑन करो. Yeah,
Yes,
please.
ma'am.
Yeah, please tell.
Ma'am, in my point of view, the road accident has caused both the parties. The first one is citizens, and the second one is government. Because many cases there are many problems of road like without barricades, without signals, without traffic rules, many cities. And the second problem is that many area there is no traffic police officers. And the second reason is that the citizens also break the traffic rules and do not follow the traffic rules properly. And this is the very big reason for the accidents.
So you also give
Thank you.
the blame to the citizens.
No, ma'am, both. Dono.
Both. Okay. Yes, Archie. Just
Thank-
yes, Archie.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
According to my opinion, government is responsible, but the citizens are not following the rules perfectly. Government are doing all their aspects of making schemes and doing traffic signals and everything, but the citizens are not following the rules. Sometimes it happen because we are not taking seriously the words that government has said to us. So I think citizens are more responsible for it because they are not following the rules perfectly. So I think citizens.
Okay, fine. Yes, Partha Saka, would you like to speak? Unmute your
Ma'am,
mic.
according, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Partha Saka. बोलो.
According to these rules, because so many people are not wear the helmet for doing the bike high speed for on the way, so that is most for important things. And others is the traffic rules don't do this follow the way. So says very most of things, and other things is going to on the way they are riding the car or any bike. So there are many things in that they don't follow the traffics and do follow the rules or government things. So this is for because most for things.
So you think the people or the government or both are responsible? Majority who
Both are
do you-
both are
both are
both
responsible.
both.
Okay. Okay, जिन जिन लोग ने बोल दिया जैसे पीयूष वगैरह जिसका हो गया बोला ना, प्लीज पुट डाउन योर हैंड, अदरवाइज आई विल गेट कंफ्यूज कि किस सबको रिपीट नहीं करवाऊं मैं. ओके, थैंक यू पीयूष. यस, करिश्मा. करिश्मा बोल. Can you please put on your video?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Karishma. बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. Well, then what I'm saying the same like patient said na ki citizen is also not to follow the rules. They break the signals and not follow the who is the like जो भी guards होते हैं जो हमको direction दिखाते हैं.
Police.
हाँ, police. Not follow that. In that reason, the accident will be do more.
Okay. So you think the citizens don't follow the rules told by the police?
The most of the accident, like citizen is responsible, not a government.
citizen is responsible. Okay, fine. Yes, Renuka.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Yeah.
Actually, my opinion is citizens are not following the government's rules because in the railway track they are going in other track because due to for example now in Orissa they got an accident recently now because they are not following the rules what government has given. So in the railway track there is going to be they are not following the traffic signals and all. And recently they have given the accident in Orissa right now.
Okay, so
That
you
is
feel
my
this one are responsible, the people are responsible.
people are not responsible of that what the train is going, how to track, how the train have to go. They are not following the rules of government.
Okay, fine. Just hold on. Okay, just hold on. Okay, yes, Piyush, you wanted to say something else?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I want to say something more like in new generations, which one is new generation? They don't want to wear a proper helmet and they want to drive a car or ride a bike very more speed and they want to reach every early time before time. So that is the reason for the accident.
Okay, fine. Yes,
Thank
yes, very good. Yes, Vinay Kumar Sharma.
Good afternoon, ma'am,
Good
everyone.
afternoon. Good afternoon. Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I talk about both are responsible, ma'am. Actually, if we are considered about government, they are already delay and not to do flow down rule and making construction properly. And most of people, citizen, they are also some of lack of don't know how to zebra crossing, red light. They suddenly want to cross the road and even they not understand which way we are going to move. So I think both are responsible, man.
Okay. Yes, Ojas.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Like many people says, majority says ki both people are
Both are responsible.
both are responsible, like a government and citizenship also. In my opinion, government are also responsible because of their construction areas, that like roads, breaking. They are not constructed properly in many roads and urban areas like urban areas, they have only a single way road and these chances create roads are create the chances of many accidents. And also citizens are also responsible for that because they are over speeding and not following proper rules like not wearing helmets and other over speedings and tripling. Maybe they are both are responsible and I agree with the majority because both are responsible. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. Yeah, Preeti, आपको बोलना है लेकिन प्रीति I can't see you. So for that you need to raise your hand and come ahead because मुझे दिखना चाहिए कि कौन, because yes, Aman. अमन बोलना है कुछ?
Yes, ma'am. Good
Yeah.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I want to say that the citizens are more responsible for the accident because in India we can see that in single bike there are 3 to 4 people who ride the bike in the road without taking proper measures, without wearing helmets. So this leads to the increase in the accident cases, or we can see that as well as in railway sector because people are always in hurry. People are jumping on the train in a rush situation. So yeah, I can say that the citizens are more responsible for the accident cases. Thank you,
Okay.
ma'am.
And it is not jumping on the train, it is jumping into the train.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Very good. Yeah, good. Yes, Ojas and Aman, please put on your hands. Yes, Afan.
Hello, good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
As per me, as per me, the citizen and government both are responsible for this. As citizens, as per citizens, parents are allowing age limit lesser than 18. All children are driving two vehicles or heavy vehicles without their license. For this, government should implement or enforce the charges, more charges or penalty on them, and do as per uh, give punishment for this, so that they should not do this after that. And as per government are in trains, the rush people, like local trains and all these trains, the people are rushing in that. So the government should look over that and make penalties for that, and make separate compartments, and make less rush parts, make rush lesser, so that the accidents will in lesser percentage.
Okay, one
Okay,
more
ma'am.
thing. It is not rush. जो भीड़ के लिए बोल रहे हो, that is Afan. Let me finish before you put on your video. मेरे बोलने के बाद वीडियो ऑफ करो ना. I'm trying to correct you something and you're putting up the video on my face. Okay. Are you there or you're stuck? I think you're stuck. Yes, Dhanashri.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Can you please put on a video? Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Citizen and the government are also responsible. And first
Disturbance. Dhanashri, there's network disturbance.
not.
Dhanashri, network disturbance. समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, now भी ठीक है. हाँ, बताओ.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Government, police, and citizen are also responsible. And citizen don't follow the rules, and government, police not work honestly. And government, police to take the fines, and citizen don't afraid to drive, and children to be drive.
Okay, so you think government and the people both are responsible?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, good. Everyone is giving a good try. Yes, Ved.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
According to me, both government and citizens are responsible for this this topic. According to me, if I'll talk about corruption and management, corruption within the government, which is a very very important concern, which is degrading the system and also increasing accidents day by day. Overall, the government has a very important role to play, but citizens has also an important role to play. If I'll talk about safety, about license and all.
Okay, so 50-50 you give it.
Yeah.
Okay, so Veda and Afan, please put down your hands. Yes, Gulam.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Gulam.
And from my point of view, government and citizens both are responsible for the accidents. If accident occurred due to citizens negligence and not following the road rules, it's a fault of citizens. And running over the red signals, overspeeding, driving under the influence, not following the rules of traffic signals, and if accident occurred due to government's negligence, in providing proper infrastructures and education, then government it is fault. Like potholes in roads, not placing cautions boards, and not placing the traffic and warning cautions. That's my opinion.
So for 50-50, you go for 50-50.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Shikha. Gulam, put down your hand, okay?
Ma'am, according to me, government and citizen both are responsible for accident because people think that the government always saying anything and they never uh, they never take the serious rule, and they think that government tell and never do nothing. And but government are also the responsible because the most of the policemen are taking the money to the corruption
Bribe.
to the
Bribe.
bribe from the people, and people think that this is a normal thing, and they again they do this. They don't wear the helmet, and they think that it is a normal for our India. But out of the India, others countries rules are very strict, but in our country the rules are not strict. So that's why the people are also think the rules are not so hard, so strict, and the citizens are also a fault wrong because they don't follow the rules. And yes, ma'am, this is my words.
Good one. Yes, yes, Sanjay Kumar Mishra.
गुड इवनिंग मैम.
Good
गुड
evening.
आफ्टरनून मैम.
Good evening, good afternoon, कुछ भी चलेगा, बोलो.
मैम मेरा नाम आर्या है.
आर्या. Okay, आर्या, बोलो.
मैम, so according to my opinion, both are responsible because people are not following traffic rules. They break all the time. मतलब कभी भी. And like small villages, they haven't these facilities like traffic rules, traffic light, and traffic police. So small villages में हमेशा होते रहता है इसी कारण. और governments are too responsible because they are not working perfectly in construction site. So governments are too.
Okay.
According to my view.
Good point, Arya. Yes, Preeti,
Thank
you
you.
wanted to speak, Preeti. Preeti Kumari.
Yes, hello, ma'am.
Yeah, hello, Preeti. Yeah, tell me.
In my point of view, the road accident is the responsibility of both, the carelessness of citizens and the government, because government is not able to spread awareness of all the people of India in world or in wide level, we can say. If government play its real role, they aware all the peoples like urban and rural too, that it might be it can be less accident, and citizens are sometimes they play low careless.
They are careless.
They are careless. That's why that's why they can
They break the rules. They break the rules.
They break the rules, and they affected by they affected, and their carelessness repercussions. He gone his life. And some points I want to say, like the awareness, I'll say, the infrastructure, because the government corrupt. Sometimes government corruption की वजह से
because of corruption.
Because of corruption, they not build a good infrastructure. That's why. And some last point, and some places like urban and rural cities and villages, they don't have traffic equipment like traffic lights or zebra crossing. That's why, in my point of view, both are responsible equally.
Okay.
Thank
Good,
you.
good try, Preeti. Good try. Yes, Prateek. The
Hello.
Yes, Pratik, tell me.
Ma'am, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Welcome, welcome. Now, but before you start speaking, I want you to give me the opportunity for you to put on your video.
Okay, definitely. Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, yeah. Because if you have to speak, you need to see the face of the person.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, एक minute.
Okay, Pratik, then you get yourself comfortable, then I'll go to Raji. Raji.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, in my opinion, both are responsible. The government of a country is responsible for bringing up and implement laws to enhance road safety. It is the responsibility of the citizen also the follow the rules and regulation to avoid accidents.
Okay, but Raji, one question I have. Did you write all this beforehand you spoke or you spoke on the spot? ये जो आपने बोला अभी अपने ऑन द स्पॉट बोला कि आपने ऑलरेडी लिख लिया था ना बोल रहे हो?
मैम लिखा था मैंने पहले लिखा।
ये मत करना कभी भी, तो फिर कभी भी नहीं बोल पाओगी, क्योंकि जब आप खुद बोलने वाली हो आप थोड़ी ना बोलोगे इंसान को रुक क्या रहे बाबा मैं लिख के तुझे बताती हूँ रुक। So never do that. On the spot will always give you the practice. गलत हुआ, सही हुआ, सही हुआ. Okay, henceforth don't do that. Okay?
Yes,
No problem. Yes, Aryan. Preeti, नहीं, sorry. Raji, put down your hand, please. Yes, Aryan. एक मिनट Pratik, let Aryan speak, then I'll come to you. Don't worry. Yes, Aryan, are you wanting to speak something? कुछ बोलना है आपको? नहीं? Okay. Unmute your mic. क्या बोल रहा है समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes, Aryan. नहीं बोल.
According to my point of view, the accident on the road, the citizen and government is both are responsible. But the citizen is more responsible.
Citizens
according to
are.
The citizens are more responsible according to government, because government has doing his work because
Its work.
90 to
Its work. ITS.
its work because 90 to 95% road is very good condition. And citizens some of the accidents are road is cause of include to traffic and car balance traffic and over speeding and drunk and drive and poor maintenance of vehicles and road.
Okay, so you feel that majority the citizens are responsible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Yes, Pratik, coming to you. Yes, tell me.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm listening to everyone. Many people said that government is responsible, and some people said that citizen is responsible. But in my opinion, over speeding is more important than the citizenship and government. Drink alcohol and drive is more responsible, and we should attention to own safety, because government do their work and we should work in our safety.
Okay, so you.
Hello?
Yes, listening to you. Tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So
Ma'am,
that
over
means
speeding is more than-
you're talking the citizens are responsible, because these all things are done by the citizens.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Definitely, citizens are responsible, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So Pratik, one thing of my feedback to you is reduce your speed while you speak.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
Because
Okay,
if you reduce your speed, then that will be more audible and clear.
okay, definitely. Okay,
Good.
thank you. Okay,
Good
ma'am. All
effort.
right.
Good effort.
Okay.
Yes, किधर गई? Pooja. Pooja, बोलना है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Pooja, can you please put on a video? Yes, Pooja,
Yes,
tell me.
ma'am. In
Yeah.
my opinion, sir, accident in roads, the citizen and government both are to accident because citizens are like. एक second.
Okay, yes, I come to Zehra. Yes,
So
Zaira.
good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Yeah, bolo.
I wanna say that it's
There are network
the
issues. There are network issues. Not audible properly. Your voice is cracking.
no, ma'am.
Now it's better. Yeah, tell me.
So I wanna say that the responsible is only sorry, ma'am.
Okay, fine, no problem. Yes, coming to you, Priya. Priya.
Good morning, good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
In my opinion, both are responsible because sometimes more than accident, reason is a drunk driving and uh, and lack of ड्राइविंग्स एंड बहुत सारे रीजंस हैं जिसके वजह से एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं जिसमें से मतलब गवर्नमेंट की भी इसमें रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है और कहीं न कहीं और सिटीजन्स की भी है जैसे कि अब कहीं ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब उनके रोड खराब है इसलिए एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं बहुत सारे क्योंकि कहीं ज्यादा रोड्स अच्छे हैं फिर भी एक्सीडेंट होते हैं क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग ड्रंक 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 रहते हैं और ड्राइव करते हैं मोर देन केसेस में ये होता है कि ड्रंक करते हैं और गाड़ी चलाते हैं फिर जाके एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं और बहुत रूल्स फॉलो नहीं करते हेलमेट यूज नहीं करते और स्पीड ज्यादा करने की कोशिश करते हैं दूसरे को अ, अ, आगे जाने की कोशिश करते हैं जिसके कारण बहुत सारे एक्सीडेंट्स होते हैं तो यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट और पीपल दोनों की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है और दोनों की अपनी अपनी एडवांटेज और डिसएडवांटेज है दैट्स माय ओपिनियन मैम
ठीक है प्रिया आपने बोला जरूर अच्छा है लेकिन आई वांटेड यू टू स्पीक इन इंग्लिश
ओके मैम ट्राई नेक्स्ट टाइम
next time surely no problem yes
Okay,
Pooja
ma'am. Thank you.
Pooja yeah Pooja I can't see you if you want to speak yeah but let me first ask
अरे हो जाएगा
ये तो प्रिया का आवाज आ रहा है पूजा किधर है
Sorry,
yes
ma'am.
okay yes Parmit what time से Parmit
Yes, ma'am. In my opinion, government is more responsible for that because they are busy in buying votes and this all stuff. If they really care about citizen, they can take any harsh decision to avoid this all. And citizens are also responsible for that because they are not following the rules and regulations of government. But I think if government are really care about the citizens, they can take harsh decisions to avoid this accidents and all this stuffs.
okay fine good yes Zara where are you here you are yeah Parmit put down your hand please
So ma'am, there is so many people in life their class. So मैं जरा थोड़ा वो हो गया. So I want to say the responsible is
Zara sorry I think there's too much of network issues at your place बहुत मतलब कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है there's too much of crack like a frog crocking you do one thing try to log out and log in again I'm admitting people here and Navya that's a good compliment yeah you know never no one has told me that they like my voice so you have I like your voice okay yeah Zara just try to log out and log in because समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है क्या बोल रहे हो आप okay okay Navya let me see how is your voice let me hear your voice now yes and please put on your video
Hello, ma'am.
yeah hi Navya please put on your video
Yes,
yeah
ma'am.
so that's a good and
Hello,
different
ma'am.
compliment I like your
No,
voice
ma'am. Actually, your voice is so nice.
thank you thanks a lot thank you yeah say क्या बोलना है
So, ma'am, like majority, I, sorry, ma'am. One minute.
ठीक है चलो okay yes Muskan
Good afternoon, ma'am.
can you please put on your video Muskan good afternoon
Good afternoon, ma'am.
yes good afternoon Muskan tell me
Yes, ma'am. I just agree with the majority regarding the accidents because government and citizens both are responsible regarding the accidents. And our parents are also responsible for the accidents because they provide bikes and other things for her college's purpose and all that. But after that, children are misuse these things, and maximum boys are doing riding like that, riding like show offness, and
Instead of saying show
some
offness, you can say recklessly.
recklessly. Okay, recklessly. And these are some points. These are some points regarding the accident. They were not wearing the helmets. They were not drive properly, and yes, governments are also responsible regarding the, because governments do your work at the time of election. After that, they will not focus on these things. That's why.
So
Thank you.
government do nahi hai, government does hai. Okay, because government
Okay,
falls in the
government
8th
does.
category. Okay, yes, Alisha.
Thank you.
Yes, put on your hand, Muskan. Okay, good point. Yes, Alisha. Alisha, are you there? You asked me मेरा कब time आएगा और no problem. Okay, Akansha ने बहुत time से on किया. Akansha, and then I'll go to ये किधर गई वो? Navya. Yes, Akansha.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Hello.
In my opinion, both government and citizens are responsible for it. We can see in many areas, um, we can see the carelessness of government. In many areas, there is no traffic police and no proper traffic signals, and there is the traffic lights are in bad condition, and government does nothing in such areas, and citizens are also responsible for it because they don't follow the traffic rules properly. So
Both of them. Okay.
both are responsible.
Okay. Yes, Navya, coming to you. Then I'll come back to you, Zahra and Alisha. Akansha, put on your hand. Navya, are you there? No? Okay, Alisha, giving a chance. Try it again. Alisha, are you able to unmute? नहीं हो रहा. Okay, baby Kumari.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Yes.
Ma'am, for my opinion, both are responsible, government or as well as citizen. Ma'am, citizen does not follow the rule of government, like they does not use helmet and license and speed limit also, and government has also responsible, ma'am, because the traffic police mm, that's it, ma'am.
Fine, no problem. जैसे जिसको बोलना, no problem. Very good. Yes, Navya.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, put on your hand, baby. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, tell me.
So, ma'am, I agree with the majority that government and citizens are both responsible, but I think citizens are more responsible for this because today, as we see, everyone in a hurry to go home or work or office, etc., and they don't follow the rules properly. They are overtaking and overspeeding. As we see the traffic police working hard for controlling the traffic, but the people don't follow the rules and they were don't listening the traffic rules, and we see the people are not wearing the helmet for safety. They wearing the helmets for the fear of police that हम भी चालान कटने को क्या बोलेंगे?
क्या करने के लिए?
चालान जो कटते हैं.
That's a चालान. चालान is an English word as well. चालान.
Okay, मैम वो इसीलिए हेलमेट पहनते कि चालान ना कट जाए. And as we see the younger citizens, the teenagers, ma'am, they were just showing off and they were doing also noise pollution. They don't, ma'am, wandering here and there without any reasons, and they also distract other people for this. So, ma'am, I think the citizens are more responsible.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good point, Navya. Good. Yes, Durga. Alisha, I'll try before. Just hold on, Durga. Just hold on. Alisha, just 2-3 minutes पहले before I leave, I'll try to unmute you again. You try it out. Okay? अगर नहीं हो रहा है, then I'm helpless. Okay? Yes, Durga.
opinion, both are responsible for accidents because of government are not performing their work, like that roads and rivers are not following government rules.
दुर्गा कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. Your voice is echoing. You tried next because कुछ समझ ही नहीं आ रहा बेटा. कुछ मतलब it's just echoing to my ears. Okay. Yeah, Zara, last chance to you if you are able to speak then only.
आ रही मैम आपको आवाज?
हाँ अभी आ रही है, बोलो.
Ma'am, there is so many people in this class. That's why I was so worried. In my according to accident is responsible for high speed driving and they not follow the government rules. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, fine, no problem. Yes, Adesh.
Hello.
Yes, hello. Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Hello.
Sir, according to my point of view, people are responsible and corruption is the big reason.
Okay.
जी. Okay.
So that is it. और कुछ नहीं बोलना है आपको?
नहीं मैम.
Okay, no problem. ठीक है, चलेगा. Yes, Sonakshi. Adesh, put down your hand, please. Sonakshi. आवाज नहीं आ रही है, ऐसे से लिप्स हिल रहे हैं, आवाज नहीं आ रही. Come back, can't hear you. Come back. Yes, Alisha, unmuting you again. Try it out now. Last chance. फिर से मैंने दबाया. Are you able to? So I think Alisha, better luck next time. Yes, Hariram. Yes.
Both are responsible. Pupils are not follow traffic rules and drink and drive and not use helmets. So not strict rules for police, traffic police.
Okay, so you feel both are responsible. Okay. Yes, Money. Hariram, put down your hand, please.
My opinion is citizen. People are not follow the traffic.
Okay, that's why you think accident takes place. Okay, that's sweet and short.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Nidhi.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yeah.
My opinion, according to sorry, ma'am, citizens, some cases are break down rules and don't wear two helmets and drunk drive. Some
Okay, fine. Okay. Yeah, Garima, citizen is a singular word and citizens are a plural word. Yes, Mariam. Yeah,
Good
citizen is a
afternoon,
noun.
ma'am.
Yes, Mariam, tell me. Yeah.
Good afternoon, ma'am. According to my opinion, both are responsible. The citizens are more responsible because they do not follow the traffic rules and not wearing the helmets, and sometimes they overspeeding and they want to overtake the other vehicles like cars and from the wrong side, and the accident which leads to accident. And government is also responsible.
Okay. Yes, Pooja. Mariam, put down your hand, please. Yes, Pooja.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Put on your video first.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
so my opinion is basically, ma'am, citizens are more responsible for this accident because, ma'am, lots of people are not wearing a helmet, and even 17 to 20-year boys are हम चलाने को इंग्लिश में क्या कहेंगे?
Riding.
बाइक चला.
Riding.
I'm riding a bike very too fast, and this is one of the most important reason to the accident in the roads. And government also, because they are not making a proper construct road and even absence of the traffic signals, such areas. But yes, the citizens are more responsible for the road accident, in my opinion.
Okay, good. Yes, Komal. Pooja, put down your hand.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Komal. Bolo.
Ma'am, I think citizen is more responsible than government because citizens are more responsible than government because government is not driving the car. We are only driving the cars and over speeding the cars without wearing seat belt, without wearing helmet, so that we are more responsible than government. Thank you, ma'am.
Good point. Yes, Rahul.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, audible?
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am, first of all, good evening.
Good evening.
Ma'am, in my opinion, both are responsible for road accident. I mean, citizen and government, because citizen is not following following the road rule. I mean, people is move the any people are move the anywhere on the road, right?
Yes.
And but minimum case government is responsible for the road accident. Yes, ma'am, that's it.
Okay, no problem. ठीक है चले. Yes, ending with Sonakshi. हाँ, Sonakshi किधर गई? हाँ, here she is. Yes, Sonakshi. Yes, Sonakshi.
Okay, now I'm audible, ma'am.
Yeah, you are. Tell me.
Okay. So when we talk about the, increasing the road accidents, nothing, both are responsible in my point of view. But because as we see, all are majorly, ma'am, actually someone's mic is.
No, I muted it. Yeah, tell me.
Okay, sorry. So when we talk about the government is just making the law, but when we talk about their implementation of the law is it won't happen properly. And in India, where the largest population happens, okay, so largest population happen, there is so needed right now. Like we drive the campaigns about the awareness of traffic rules, because so many part of the population doesn't know any rules, any regulations, and people drive recklessly. And these are the government part. Also, the citizens are not willingly accept that they are follow the rules. They just follow the rules for their escapism. They follow the rules for escape the fine, because they just fear about that कि like okay, अगर हमने drive करा तो fine लग जाएगा बस. इसके अलावा like I don't think कि they follow, so they care about their own safety, I guess. So both are responsible because they are two-way connection.
Okay, that's good. Good point. Okay, now see, now there are many people who haven't got a chance, but this is not just the end of everything. Again, next time, maybe not next Saturday or maybe some other time, I will give a chance to all of you to speak on some other topic also. It is not that, aap log ko chance nahi mila, so you'll have to be disheartened, because even you have to understand that, 1 hour's time, so I have to cover to the best I can. But भले ये government के ऊपर topic हुआ है, next time maybe I'll give some other topic wherein you all can speak. Okay, so don't get disheartened. I hope the session was good because I'm trying my best to cover up so that आप लोग को chance मिले जितने को मिल सके at the same time. Okay, so next time again when we catch up, maybe all of you, see, the thing is, whatever you also, for me, the most important part is not what you speak, but the way you speak. The confidence is something that is more more important for me rather than the content. और आप सब ने अच्छी तरह बोला, जितना भी बोला, 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, आधा line, 4 line, I'm not bothered. I was concerned and I was just looking out for the confidence, and that is more important. जैसे बोलोगे, जितने बार बोलोगे, जितनी गलतियां करोगे, that's okay. But बोलना होना चाहिए, and that is what you all have done. So yes, now say I have to put an end to this class because it's already 1 hour plus. Yes, you will all of you will try. I'm going to give each one of you chance. Please believe me, मुझे सबके नाम थोड़े थोड़े तो याद रह जाएंगे. So जिनको आज बोलने का chance मिला, maybe the next time I'll give some other topic and the others can speak on that. Okay. So with this I take your leave. I hope मैंने आप लोग को one earth का word दिया है. It's okay. Communication is not good. It's okay. मोहित हो जाएगा communication. जब तक मुंह नहीं खोलेगा communication good होगा कैसे? ठीक है. So all of you, I would take your leave for today and thank you for participating. और जिन लोग फिर से मैं बोल रही हूँ जिन लोग को chance नहीं मिला, don't get disheartened. The next time I'm surely going to give you all. Okay, take care and all of you have a great weekend and a great evening. Thank you for coming. See you. Bye.